Okay, I'm coming down. State police did a traffic stop on a lady that let her, some people that let their little daughter stick over half of her body out the window, which is a violation of state law. So I'm going to come down here and see what's going on. Make sure the trooper doesn't do anything immoral to that little girl. We had to go a long ways to pull them over.
Back up a little.
All right, I can be right here. So here's Salem PD.
Hey Robert, how you doing?
All right, how you doing?
Doing all right.
You be safe.
Thanks, Robert.
All right. Hey, did he cite you?
Yeah, $115.
For what?
Or a 9-year-old out the window.
Oh, really? Yeah, that's ridiculous. I see him pull up behind you. I was filming up there, and I'm like, oh man. It'll be on my YouTube channel, Robert West.
Say again?
It'll be on my YouTube channel, Robert West.
Oh, okay.
So, I'm a cop watcher. They all know me.
You're just making sure they're not going across the line?
Yeah, what I do is I film them, and if they violate people's rights, I say something. If people want to file complaints, I assist them in filing complaints.
So yeah, if she's not in her seatbelt, then, you know, if kids aren't in their seatbelt, that's a violation, so.
Yeah. But
Nonetheless.
Except that they're just making money.
I
The city is making money off because we're the fourth ones.
yeah. Yeah. I disagree with the traffic laws the way they are, because you have a constitutional right that if you're charged with anything, that you have a right to a jury trial, and they deny you that right. You also have a right to be proven beyond a reasonable doubt, and they deny you that. They say it's on a preponderance of evidence. So,
What happened?
you also have a right to an attorney,
Yeah.
and they say no, not in traffic cases. They got stopped.
Civil citation?
Yeah.
What's the citation for?
No, no seatbelt.
Oh, okay.
Just for while we were going past the
Yeah, yeah.
you know.
She was out, kind of out the window like that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, they can do that. Wait, were they in the back seat or the front seat?
Back seat.
I don't know what Oregon law is. I know in Iowa they can't do that. In Oregon they can, I think.
Yeah.
Some states allow you to have the back seat. But yeah, I would check that because a back seat might not require it. I know in Iowa they don't.
Oh.
So make sure to check that under the Oregon law statute. Because some states' back seats don't require seatbelts. And is this registered as a private or is it a company car? Okay. Sometimes company cars are different in law too. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. All right, you guys be safe.
All right, take care.
All right, and hopefully Trump gets the
know.
election overturned.
Why do you have
Doesn't
the
look like it.
mask?
Why do I have the mask? Because my dad's going through surgery this week, or this coming week,
You think
and I don't want to risk giving him anything. Not just COVID, anything.
Yeah, I agree. Flu season.
Yeah, he's getting a portal put in him, and even if I went home with the flu, it would mess the surgery up.
yeah.
So that's why I'm carrying the mask. Usually I don't, but I can't risk injury to my dad.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, if you know anybody who works in a law office of any kind, I would run it by them and see.
Okay.
Just out of curiosity, I would say, hey, this happened. What are my options? They can't the way they'll do it is, well, if it was me, this is how. That's how they'll do it. They can't tell you what to do.
Yeah.
They say, well, if I was in that scenario and I had this situation arise, I would do this. That's not giving you legal advice. That's just telling you what I would do. And if you do that on your own, that's your business.
Yeah.
It's a good lawyer's going to do that, or a good legal advisor, like
Right.
whatever the staff there are, they're going to do that.
Yeah.
It depends on the person.
I would check in your First Amendment rights because she was.
That was bullshit, by the way. By the way, I'm actually the opposition, and I don't think that was okay. Just so you know.
Oh. You mean?
He knows that. We've sat face to face a few times.
Well, I mean, yeah, but if it's a law, it's a law. You got to have your seatbelt on. I mean,
So the law in the United States is not the way it's not black and white. It was never written that way. The legal code is not defined black and white. I got told I had to write a definition of law one time, and I wrote imperfect system does not apply equally to all people that may or may not have consequences. Because that's the truth. That's what it is. So the problem is, what good did that serve the public? The answer is basically nothing. It funnels money into the coffers of the state. For what?
well, it's potentially safety, I suppose. Well, why do you have a mask on? It's not law either. Why are businesses?
Well, I have a right to choose this, though. That's my. I
Right.
can choose to. Now,
Yeah, but it's not law. I mean,
well, there is a law, but there's a governor mandate. The governor can issue mandates for the public good. If they decide something is in the public good, they can do that
Yeah.
under the law. There's precedent for that at the federal level and the state level both. So they can do that. But like, there's a one. Like, I can take this off now and there's no consequence because I'm outside. But if I went in that building, I have to then put it on because there's a mandate, right?
yeah.
Yeah, that's how the law works.
But so what if there's a mandate?
I mean, it's the same thing. That's a law. You don't want to, saying like, the thing is it's a mandate for the public good because there's a health issue going on, right? There's a known communicable virus spreading throughout the state. There's no doubt of that. Like, it's established.
Mask doesn't stop it.
It slows it dramatically though, because we know it spreads through particles that are spit when you cough. So if you have on a mask, you prevent the spit, which then makes it less
Right.
likely to communicate.
It actually breaks up the spit and the virus goes right out.
Not according to every bit of evidence they have. You should watch the Bill Nye thing where he explains why it works. It's really good.
Bill Nye, he's a total liberal.
Yeah, but
Nonsense.
he also is a scientist who studies this for a living. He explains it in great detail. Like, he takes different masks and he shows how each one works. Now, some
Yeah.
work better than others.
Yeah.
Like
So
cloth-
that 90, I don't know what that is, but
It's cloth. So this isn't the best option.
Right.
But outside, it's not as big a deal because so when you're outside, you have a lot more air to work with and it moves around a lot more, so the particles spread faster. When you're indoors, they sit still. The particles cover.
yeah.
And so you inhale them, and that's the problem. That's where you get the cough. They get into your lungs and they infect you. Outdoors, they're less likely to communicate. If I was indoors, I'd have one of those high-end 95 physical masks.